Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw projects from Notion Workspace and transfer ownership, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw a project from your Notion Workspace, first, open the Notion app or website. Navigate to the workspace that contains the project you wish to withdraw. Locate the specific project you want to transfer. Click on the project to view its details. Next, select the three dots in the upper right corner of the project page. From the drop-down menu, choose Share. In the sharing options, identify the current members who have access to the project. To withdraw the project, you will need to remove access for any collaborators. Click on the name of each collaborator in the sharing options. Then, select Remove next to their names to revoke their access. Once all collaborators are removed, your project is effectively withdrawn from others. Next, to transfer ownership, go back to the Share menu. In the list of project collaborators, locate the person you want to make the new owner. Next to their name, click on the drop-down arrow. Select Make Owner from the options given. Confirm the transfer of ownership when prompted. Your project is now both withdrawn from previous collaborators and assigned to the new owner. Lastly, inform the new owner that they now have complete control over the project. You have successfully withdrawn a project from your Notion workspace and transferred its ownership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.